Hi everybody, welcome to Model Maths Nagaraju Sir YouTube channel. First please like, subscribe and click bell button. Now in this session, part 2 of random variables and probability distribution, mathematics 2A intermediate. So fourth question onwards, means from the starting 3 questions are completed in the part 1. For that I will give the link in the description, you can watch through that. So this is very most important question, as I told you already. So very important question. Okay, the range of random variable capital X is 0, 1, 2. Given that P of x is equal to 0 is equal to 3c cube, P of x is equal to 1 is equal to 4c minus 10c square, and P of x is equal to 2 is equal to 5c minus 1. Then find C. Second one, P of x less than 1. And the third one, P of 1 less than x less than or equal to 2. And fourth one, P of 0 less than x less than or equal to 3. So this is the question. So very important question this is. First of all, what are the given informations? I'm writing in a table. So the given information is for x is equal to 0, for x is equal to observation and the probability of those observations. First one 0 is given as 3c cube, for second one is 1, for 1 that is 4c minus 10c square, and last one for 2 which is given as 5c minus 1. So in simply I express in a table. What is the first condition? Yes, that we know that the sum of all probabilities of an event is equal 1. So what are the probabilities here? One is 3c cube, second one is 4c minus 10c square, and last one is 5c minus 1. So sum of these observations means adding, just adding means plus, and then next 4c minus 10c square, next 5c minus 1, and is equal 1 means 1. I just simply added these three probabilities, and 3c cube. Here after c square term is minus 10c square, and c terms here 4c, here 5c, completely 9c, and remaining minus 1 equal to 1. So 1 also bring left side, it becomes minus 1. Okay, now 3c cube minus 10c square plus 9c minus 2 equal to 0. So now we have to simplify, then we can get the c value. How can we simplify? This is a degree 3 highest power, so cubic equation. So first I am checking whether 1 is a root or not. Then I will check minus 1 is a root or not, like how we did in theory of equations in that. So same process, first I am thinking whether 1 is a root or not. So for that, first c cube coefficient 3, simply this is a rough work we can say. Next to c square coefficient is minus 10, next to c coefficient is 9, next constant term is minus 2. So I am checking with 1. So here also we can check directly, because of 3 plus 9 12, minus 10 minus 2 becomes minus 12, 12 minus 12 0. So we can say the sum of coefficients is 0, then 1 is a root. If 1 is a root, then what about other roots? So those we can get by using this method. So first I am doing with 1. First we have to take 0, add 3 plus 0, 3, and multiply 3 into 1, 3, and add minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7, and multiply minus 7 into 1, minus 7, add 2 into 1, 2. So finally we got it 0. So we can express this as c minus 1 into, what are the next term? 3c square, and next one minus 7c, and next one plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, it is decreased into quadratic equation and a linear equation. So c minus 1 into 3c square minus 7c plus 2. Okay, I am going to simplify this, then we can get c value. So c minus 1 into, see this is a quadratic equation, 3 into 2 6. So 6 is the product. For 6 we can write minus 6 into minus 1. So minus 6c minus 1c plus 2. So here instead of minus 7c I have written minus 6c minus 1c. I just simplified factorization method. Now c minus 1 write as it is. From first to what is common? C is common and 3 is common. So 3C take out common, remaining is C minus 2. Then in these two only minus can take common and remaining is C minus 2. So again in both C minus 2 is common. So C minus 1 into here C minus 2, here C minus 2. So take C minus 2 common. Then the remaining are what? What are the remaining? Here 3C is remaining, here minus 1 is remaining. So 3C minus 1 equal 0. So we have got 3 terms. One is C minus 1 equal 0. That means C equal to 1. And next one C minus 2 is equal to 0. That means C equal to 2. And last one 3C minus 1 equal 0. That means 3C is equal to 1. That means C equal to 1 by 3. So which we can take C value? Yes, 1 by 3 can be taken as a C value. Because of C nothing but here it is the term, it involves probability. So always it less than 1 and more than 0. So 1 by 3 can be considered. Okay. So for first one answer is C is equal 1 by 3. And second question is P of x less than 1. So second one is P of capital X less than 1 is equal x less than 1 which is less than 1 0. So at 0 what is probability? 3C cube. So P of x less than 1 means that is P of x is equal to 0, that is 3C cube. So what is C value? From first one, that is 1 by 3. So C cube means 1 by 3 cube. So 3 into, what is 1 by 3 whole cube? Nothing but 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. So 1 into 1 into 1, 1, and denominator 3 into 3 into 3, 27. So we get 1 by 27, 3 1 ja, 3 9 ja. 1 by 9 is the answer for second question. Similarly, third one. What is third question? The probability of 1 less than x less than or equal to 2. Okay. So after 1 up to 2. So after 1 up to 2 means only this one. So what is that? That is called P of x is equal to 2 only. And that is 5C minus 1. And substitute C value. 5 means 5, minus 1 means minus 1 as it is. And C value is 1 by 3. And simplify. So 3 is the LCM. 5 as it is written. 3 into 1 minus 3. So it becomes 2 by 3. The second answer is, third one is 2 by 3. And last, fourth one. What is fourth question? P of 0 less than x less than or equal to 3. Up to here, okay? So I'm just doing here the fourth one. Fourth one is P of 0 less than x less than or equal to 3. Means after 0, that means P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2 plus P of x is equal to 3 also. Because of up to 3 we should take, and after 0 means 1, 2, 3 all. What is x is equal to 1? Here we have, that is, what was that? 5C minus 1. Yes. Next to plus P of x is equal to 2 is, what is x is equal to 1? 4C minus 10C squares. Thank you. Next to P of x is equal to 2 is 5C minus 1. So from the table we can write, I just removed that. And P of x is equal to 3 is not there. So simply we can write 0, or if you do not write also, no problem. Now substitute C value. 1 by 3 minus 10 into 1 by 3 square plus 5 into 1 by 3 minus 1. So 4 into 1, 4 by 3 minus 10 by 3 square means 9 plus 5 by 3 minus 1. Okay. If you simplify this, we can get this answer also. So which is called 9 is the LCM. In 3 table it becomes 3 times. 3 into 4, 12. 9 table 1 time. 1 into 10, 10. Similarly in 3 table 3 times. 3 into 5, 15. And by nothing means 1. In 1 table it becomes 9 times. 9 into 1 is 9. So which is called 12 plus 15, 27. Minus 10 minus 9 is minus 19. Okay. Subtract 19 from 27. What do we get? 8. Yes. So 8 by 9 is the answer. Okay. So this is very most important question, the fourth one. So after that we have some more questions, especially in this year 2020 to 21 we can get 2 long questions, very simply we can do, so easily we can get score. So don't leave this chapter, so take serious. Let us take next question. Okay, next fifth question. If capital X is a random variable with a probability distribution P of x is equal to k is equal k plus 1 into c by 2 power k, where k equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so and so, then find c. So first I am making a distribution table by taking k value, first 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. Okay, listen all of you. So solution. First of all, given that the given information P of x is equal to k is k plus 1 into c by 2 power k. So I am taking k value 0 because of k values 0, 1, 2, 3, so and so. So if you take k value 0, then P of x is equal to 0 is equal, k value 0 means 0 plus 1 into c by 2 power 0 because of k value taken as 0 in the first case. So by simplifying this, 0 plus 1 nothing but 1, 1 into c by 2 power 0 is 1, means anything power 0, 1. So P of x is equal to 0 is c. Next similarly k equal to 1, then P of x is equal to 1 is k value taking 1, that means 1 plus 1 into c by 2 power k nothing but 1. So this is called 2 into c by 2 power 1. So 2c by 2 power 1. So keep it as it is. Okay, don't cancel. Next k equal to 2. By taking k equal to 2, so we get substitute here k means 2 becomes 2 plus 1. So we get as 2 plus 1 into c by 2 power 2. So 2 plus 1 nothing but 3c by 2 square. So keep it as it is. Next similarly k equal to 3, and then so that is 3 plus 1 into c by 2 power 3. So it becomes 4c by 2 cube. So and so until that there are infinitely many terms. So just leave it. Then so I am making table now. X is equal to xi values, and the probability of capital X is equal to xi values. So at 0, 1, 2, 3, so and so. At 0 we got it as c. Next one 2 into c by 2. Next one 3c by 2 square, 4c by 2 cube, so and so. So now I am going to applying first condition. What is that? Generally after table we take the condition is the sum of the all probabilities 1. So the sum of all probabilities is equal 1. Sum of probabilities means sum of these terms. Sum means what? Plus. So c plus 2c by 2 plus 3c by 2 square plus 4c by 2 cube plus so and so is equal to 1. In each and every term which we can take common, c is common term. So by taking c common we get 1 plus, here I am writing as 2 into remaining 1 by 2. So 2 as it is, remaining 1 by 2. C already taken common. In the next step plus c common, 3 into 3 is remaining, and into what is remaining? 1 by 2 square. So 1 by 2 square. Is it clear? Next 4 into 1 by 2 cube. So plus so and so is equal to 1. So now what do you mean by this term? Generally in binomial theorem we have several formulas. What is 1 minus x whole power minus n, 1 minus x whole power n, 1 minus x whole power p by q, 1 plus x whole power p by q, 1 minus x whole power minus p by q, like so and so. So there we have studied, most probably we used 1 minus x power minus p by q. That formula we used most probably. Next, this is also one more formula can be taken from binomial theorem. I am telling that if it is 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus so and so, so that is the formula of 1 minus x power minus 2. Just keep in your mind, this is the formula. Okay. So according to this formula, here 1 place 1, 2 place 2, but instead of x, there is 1 by 2. If you compare both, instead of x, there is a 1 by 2. So the formula is 1 minus x whole power minus 2, then it becomes 1 minus, instead of x, what is that? 1 by 2. Actually, I have to write 1 minus x power minus 2 formula, but x place, what we have to take? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. C means C. Is equal to means is equal. 1 means 1. Just simply I used this formula. With the help of this formula, I expressed about 1 plus 2 into so and so is equal nothing but we have written 1 minus 1 by 2 power minus 2 and is equal to 1 as it is, C into as it is. Okay. Next simplify. 2 1 ja 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 power minus 2 is equal to 1. I am just going to simplify. Simply subtract half from 1, we get half only. So C into 1 by 2 power minus 2 is equal to 1. So 1 by 2 power minus 2 means what? If power is minus, so we can write C into 2 power 2 simply. Okay, 1 by 2 power minus 2 means 2 power plus 2. So C into 2 power 2 means 2 into 2, that much 4. So C equal 1 by 4. So this is the answer for this question. That's it. Got it? Okay, next let us take next question. Yes, sixth question. The range of random variable capital X is called 1 2 3 4 so and so, and P of x is equal to k is C power k by k factorial. Then find value of C and P of 0 less than x less than 3. So first, given that same type of question, even you can solve this same usually in the previous question. You just pause video and do it. After that you can verify with me. Here given from 1, not from 0. So k equal to, I am taking 1 first, then P of x is equal to 1 is C power 1 by 1 factorial, that is C by 1 means C, or C by 1 also we can keep. Next to k equal to 2, then the probability x is equal to is C power 2 by 2 factorial, then k equal to 3, P of x is equal to 3 is C power 3 by 3 factorial. Is it clear? K value 3 I am substituting 3 by 3 factorial. So and so. Now I am going to making a table. So observations and the probability. Okay, here I am writing. Okay, x is equal to xi consider na. Okay, x is equal xi, the probability of x is equal xi. First one started from 1. For 1 it is C only. For 2 it is C square by 2 factorial. For 3 C cube by 3 factorial, and so and so. So after getting table, the first condition I am taking. What is that first condition? The sum of probabilities. What is 1? So doing addition because of sum of probabilities 1. So sum means C plus next one C square by 2 factorial, next C cube by 3 factorial. Similarly we get C power by 4 factorial plus so and so, and is equal 1. Generally in each and every formula, in the first 1 is must be presented, means in each and every formula we have 1 plus so and so or 1 minus so and so. So here 1 is not available, that's why to getting 1 I am adding 1 on both sides. To satisfy the equation we must add both sides. So it becomes 1 plus C by 1 factorial plus C square by 2 factorial plus C cube by 3 factorial is equal 1 plus 1. This one is adding both sides. Now this is the expansion of e power x. Okay, so only two formulas we have to remember, especially in the previous case one formula and here. So e power x expansion is 1 plus x by 1 factorial plus x square by 2 factorial plus so and so. This is the e power x expansion. So here just instead of x there is just c. So instead of e power x, simply we can write e power c. From here to here nothing but e power c, and is equal means equal 1 plus 1 means 2. So which formula we used here? E power x formula. Okay, even we can find e value also using this formula. Generally e value means take x is equal 1, we get 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 square by 2 factorial plus 1 cube by 3 factorial. Simplify, you get to 2 points some so and so we get. In 9th class, 10th class, we studied e is an irrational number because of it is non-repeated, non-occurring decimal like so and so. Okay, leave it. Here we got this is e power c and is equal means is equal 1 plus 1 nothing but 2. Now we need to find c value actually. So this is expansion form. When expansion form a power x is equal to n, then x can be taken in logarithmic form, that is here a is base, n is number. So x is equal log base a number n. So that is the exponential form to logarithmic form. In 10th class also we studied. So using that formula, here base is e, number is 2. So we can write log 2 base e. What is power? C. C is equal log 2 base e. C is called what? Log 2 base e. That is c value. Got it? Completed. Next one more question is, and what is p of 0 less than x less than 3 is asking. So p of 0 less than x less than 3 means after 0 and below 3. What are the terms after 0? 1 is there, below 3, 2 is there, 1 and 2. So this is nothing but p of x is equal 0 and p of x is equal 1. Okay? After 0, below 3. After 0 means 1 and below 3 means 2 only, 1 and 2. For x is equal to 1, c only, probability, plus for x is equal to 2, c square by 2 factorial. So what is c value? That is log 2 base e. So here I am going to do. So is equal continuation. Next step, c nothing but what? Okay, I am writing here again c square by 2 factorial. C means what? Log 2 to the base e plus c square means what? Log 2 to the base e whole square by 2 factorial. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, next one more question. Okay, next 7th question. Obviously in this part this is the last question, and more 3 questions are there, and we can learn in the next part 3. So up to here we can complete it 7 long questions with this part 2. Okay, see the question. 2 dice are rolled at a time. Find the probability distribution of the sum of the numbers on them, and also find the mean of the random variable. So to find the mean means we have a second question. Means in the part 1 we did how to find mean, how to find variance, and I will revise in this also. So first of all, 2 dice are rolled. Dice means what? Generally we know. So dice, pachka. It is in the shape of a cube. So 6 faces the cube has. So on one face 1 digit, and another face 2 digits, and another face 3 digits, and like 4 digits, 5 digits, 6 digits. So those are taken as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on one dice we have 6 faces. So those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces numbered will be given. And similarly here 2 dice are taken. So if you rolled 2 dice, or if you thrown 2 dice, what we get? We may get 1, 1, means on the first dice 1 or second dice 1. Next to first dice 1, second dice 2, first dice 1, second dice 3, maybe first dice 1, 4, second dice 4, and maybe first dice 1, second dice 5, and like 1, 6. or maybe first die is 2, second die is 1. Similarly, if you write all possibilities, how many we can get? You just think, yes, 2, 2, 2, 3. So I am writing all, each and every term, no problem. You also write down. So what are these? For the solution here mentioned that 2 dice are rolled. So 2 dice are rolled, then all possibilities are possible, all possible outcomes. So here I have written, if 2 dice are rolled, then all possible outcomes are. So I am writing all possible outcomes. You also write down. So next 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. If we write this, we can easily solve the given problem. Next 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. Next 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Okay, why I am writing like this? Because of 2 dice are rolled, on 2 dice there are 36 possibilities. Those 36 possibilities I am writing. Can we get any another possibility other than these 36? I think all we have written. Yes? Yes. So therefore number of all possible outcomes, how many are there? Possible outcomes is equal 36. Okay, just what is the probability definition actually? Do you know? Do you remember? Probability means sum of the observations, number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes, all possible outcomes. So I will apply this formula. Okay, first what is the question? 2 dice are rolled means these are the possible outcomes up to here. Okay, what is the next? What we have to find? Find the probability distribution of the sum of the numbers on them. So we have to find probability, the sum of numbers on them. Sum of numbers on them means 1 plus 1, 2. So sum of our numbers 2, that is 1 probability. 1 plus 2, 3. So sum of numbers 3. How many what is the probability? Sum of numbers 4. What is the probability? Sum of numbers 5. Sum of number 6. So like that. So first one, the probability of sum on them is 1 is, 1 we are not getting because of the least one is 1 plus 1, 1. The highest one is 6 plus 6, 12. So minimum at least we get sum 2, then sum 3, sum 4, sum 5, and finally we get 6 plus 6, 12. So sum means addition on 2 numbers is 2 and 3 and 4. So like that sum 2. Don't you understand? Okay. Okay, see, first of all, just see 2 times, 1 plus 1, 2. So this is the favorable outcome. Here only one favorable outcome. 1, nothing but only 1. So 1 by total how many are there? 36. So 1 by 36 is the probability for event for getting sum 2. Similarly, second one, the probability of sum 3 next to. So getting sum 3, 1 plus 2, 3, remaining 2 plus 1, 3. So here we are getting 2 events, 2 favorable outcomes to getting sum on numbers is 3. Okay, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3. There are 2 favorables. So the probability of sum 3 is 2 by total how much? 36. Next, similarly we can, the probability of sum is 4. Okay, we get these 3 terms, 1 plus 3, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 1, 4. Now I think getting easy. How many are there? 3 are there. So 3 by 36. Are you clear? Next, the probability of sum 5. Okay, we get these terms, I think, because of 4 plus 1 5, 3 plus 2 5, 2 plus 3 5, 1 plus 4 5. So how many are there getting sum 5? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there. So 4 by 36, so and so. So now we can make the probability distribution. Okay, we just find the probability of getting sum 2, of getting sum 3, of getting sum 4, so and so. Okay, can I write all terms? Okay, no, please note down. The probability sum is 6. So how many terms? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 36. Next, sum 7. Getting 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I am simply 6. Next, getting 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 only. So getting sum 8 is 5 by 36. Getting 9, we get 4 by 36. Getting 10 is 3 by 36. Getting 11 is 2 by 36. And getting 12 is 1 by 36. Okay, now we have to write the table that is called probability distribution. This. Okay, is it clear up to here? So after this, I am going to making a probability distribution. Okay, so after that I am going to making a table. So what is first x is equal to xi. Next, probability of x is equal to xi. First one sum 2. Next sum 3. Next 4. Next 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So for 2, sum 2 is 1 by 36. Next 2 by 36. Next 3 by 36. So very simple, this is 7 by 36. Sorry, for 7, 6 by 36. For 8, again 5 by 36. And 4 by 36, 3 by 36, 2 by 36, 1 by 36. This is the probability distribution table. Next, what is second question? Find mean of this variable. How to find mean? Generally mean nothing but the summation of observation into probability. Okay, if you do this, we can get the answer. Observation 2 into probability 1 by 36. Next observation 3 into 2 by 36, so and so. 2 into 1 by 36 plus next one 3 into 2 by 36. Next one 4 into 3 by 36 plus 5 into 3 by 36 plus 6 into 4 into 3 by 36, 5 into 4 by 36, 6 into 5 by 36 plus 7 into 6 by 36, 8 into 5 by 36, 9 into 4 by 36, 10 into 3 by 36, 11 into 3 by 36 plus 12 into 1 by 36. Okay, by simplifying this we can get the answer. Very simple. Okay, in all each and every term by 36 by 36 by 36 is there. I am taking common. Then remaining 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 into 2, 6 plus 4 into 3, 12 plus 5 into 4, 20, 6 5 ja 30, 7 6 ja 42, 8 5 ja 40, 9 4 ja 36, 10 3 ja 30, 11 3 ja 30. What? Sorry, here 2 by 36. So 11 2 ja 22, 12 1 ja 10 3 ja 30, 11 2 ja 22, 12 1 ja 12. 1 by 36 taken out common. So by 36 and add these all terms, we get the answer. That's it. Okay, add it and write down. What is the answer? (252 by 36) and do cancellation. 6 6 ja 6 4 ja 24, 1 2, 12 6 2 ja 6 1 ja 6 7 ja. So answer is 7. What is mean? Mean is 7. This is the answer. Okay friends, these are the just 7 questions we completed with part 1 and part 2, and remaining 3 questions are there. So based on using binomial distribution, means binomial distribution means here same, the probability of x is equal to some r is equal to NCR p power r into q power n minus r. So using this formula, we have some more 7 marks questions and 2 marks questions also are there. So that is also important concept, especially p means what, q means what, and using that binomial distribution, what is mean, what is variance, we have another 3 formulas. So if you learn those 3 formulas, we can complete all formulas in our 10th chapter. So what are the formulas? First, starting sum of the probabilities 1. Next, mean is summation x is equal to xi into p of x is equal to xi. Next, variance summation of x is equal to xi whole square into p of x is equal to xi minus mean square. Those 3 formulas. Next, in this long questions, 2 more formulas we used, that is 1 minus x whole power minus 2 formula and e power x formula. Okay, these are the formulas. For the next part 3, we use that formula, and based on those formula, we have some formulas, some problems we will discuss later. So thank you watching our classes regularly. If you do not subscribe till now, please subscribe. If you are newly watching also, please subscribe and share with your friends, and also please like the like button if you are interested in our classes. Thank you.